Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. Stuck in a down, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming. Just wait and see. It's a good.
Hindi ko alam pupunta. Saan ako pupunta? Paano ko magpakita kay RJ ganun?
Congratulations sa kanila kasi andun ako nung sa journey nyo, nung nagkakilala sila. Just enjoy life and huwag masyadong magtrabaho. Kung parang meron tayo binubuhay na 5 pamilya eh.
Gagi mo po! Oo, kahapon pa yun. Diyos ko, confession namin. Pinagkanan niya siya.
Looking forward ka sa ni mamaya? Ano?
Sa ano? Sa sexy pa. Alam mo, nagpupunta din ako. Sabihin mo yung stamina niya. Tibayan niya.
Happy wife, happy life. Tapos yun.
Pa-practice na ako, girl. Ay, nanay ko.
Ayan, kabado siya.
Kasi na. Sumbong ko kayo. Pinagtatrabaho niyo sa joke.
Once you say your yes in front of the people, in front of God, there's no turning back. The sacraments are the gift of God to us. Kaya dapat pag-ingatan natin sa abot ng ating makakaya. So Chai and Angelo, always involve God in your marriage. Always pray and pray.
Did they tell you just how long a time?
Clingy siya pag magkasama kami. Tapos, para siyang anino. Hindi siya nawawala sa likod ko, ganon. Tapos, very attentive sa lahat ng kailangan ko. Baby talk, mahilig siya mag-baby talk. So, nahahawa na rin ako. Then, minsan nag-baby talk na rin ako.
Magpakabait ka lagi. Pasahin mo yung asawa.
My bones are safe in my heart and rest.
Pakabait ka, maging mabait ka asawa.
Kaya nga junior ko to eh. The second.
Oo, naiiyak na ako.
My world is changed and it's created by the comfort that
Maging mabuti kang asawa, katulad ng pagiging mabuti mong anak. Napakabait talaga ni si Angelo.
Do you take Rogelio, Pier Angelo, here present, for your lawful husband according to the right of the Holy Mother, the Church? Do you give yourself to him as his wife? Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
nobody knows how you go. Oh, and we're alone. It's like we're home. Nobody knows how you go. Oh, and we're alone. It's like we're home. Our world is
manage her married life properly.
Ma, thank you sa support and love sa amin ni RJ and sa pag-a-assist.
Pagbutihin mo maging mabait na housewife. Yun lang, and God bless you and RJ.
Thank you pa and love you.
Love you.
Rogelio Pierre Angelo, do you take Julia Chiris, here present, for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church? Do you give yourself to her as her husband? Do you accept her as your lawful wife? Yes, I do.
I wanna be with you.
Wala akong ma-advise kay RJ kasi bad-influence ako.
Thank you! Just a quick note to express our heartfelt gratitude for being with us on our special day. Your presence truly meant everything to us and we're incredibly grateful for your love and support.
Babalik ko pa to.
Pag may sakit pa. Wala ko masagot ko eh. Okay naman. Nagmamahalan kami, masaya kami, nagtsutsuksakan, ganun.
Love, mag-sorry ka parati. Sorry ka na agad bago magawin yung kasalanan.
Oh, di ba?